What's up, guys? Will H, and today I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions of the Mac Mini M4. Now, I picked up the base line edition of this, meaning that this has 256 gigabytes of storage, 16 gigabytes of RAM. So we're going to take a look at it, and I'll flash the specs up on the display right here. So I got mine for $4.99. Originally, when I ordered it, I placed the order for $5.99. Then I thought about my wife works for the school system, so canceled that and reordered it. And here we are. So I'm replacing the Mac Mini M2 with this, and kind of excited. That one I had was the base model. It only had 256 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. So this is a step up on the RAM, and this is the M4 as well. So here's the packaging. You guys see Mac Mini all the way around it, and then they have a photo of the actual device there. This is pretty tiny, man, 5x5x2, and then it gives you some of the specs on the bottom of it here. 16 gigabytes of unified memory, 256 gigabytes of SSD. So I have a QuizLab hub that has 1 terabyte of storage. That's how I'm gonna, increase my storage. So right here, this is 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU. It has 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI, 2 USB-C ports, and the weight of it is 1.5 pounds. That's pretty much it, guys. So let's go ahead and get in the box and check this out. Got some nice pull tabs here. So my wife was using the Core i3 Mac Mini, and I'm gonna just give her the M2. That one, oh man, that thing is small. The Core i3 was all she needed. Oh, look how tiny this is, man. Here it is in my hand. Very, very tiny. 5x5x2. So let's see what else is in here. So you're gonna get your cable, power cable here. So go ahead and get this out, take a look at it. And this is a nylon cable too. Nylon, as you guys see there. Where this used to be, used to be not nylon. So then also you're gonna get some paperwork in here as well. So there's Mac Mini there. See what else is in here. All right, so you got Mac Mini. This is like a quick start guide here. You get all of this. You guys see telling you your Type-C's there and your HDMI, your Thunderbolt 4s are on the back of the unit. And that is pretty much all in the box. And here's the device. So very small, compact, has a little weight to it. 1 point something pounds, I said 1.5 pounds. So not too bad. Let's go ahead and get this off of the unit. And here it is. So very nice looking. As you guys see, here's your 2 Type-C ports there. You got a power indicator light, 3.5 millimeter jack right there. Then on the back, you got your 3 Thunderbolts, your HDMI, your power, and I think that's the Ethernet. I just read it and just forgot. I'm just kind of excited about having it. On the bottom, you got Mac Mini and your power button on the bottom. Big controversial thing there. But yeah, here it is, your Apple logo on the top. Looks great, man. So I'm going to do a small little comparison with an old one. This is the Core i3 one here, which is the same size as the other ones. As you guys see, it is quite a bit bigger than the old style. I mean, the old style is quite a bit bigger than this one. And this one's a little bit thicker. The new one is a little bit thicker than the old style right there. So that's what that looked like right there. And that is it, man. That's pretty much all you can do with this. I'm going to come back in a couple weeks and well, in a week or so, and let you know, guys, know what I think about it. How does it work? You know, what kind of performance I'm getting out of it, and things like that. But I'll show some pictures of my setup at the end of this video. So Will H, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.